Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device. Update iOS and free enough space because offline regions can be large. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and plug the phone in to avoid interruptions. Now open Apple Maps and tap your profile or the three-dot menu. Select Offline Maps or Download Region to begin. You're initiating the capture of map tiles and routing data. This first step creates the local files you'll rely on when offline. Next, focus on selecting exactly what you need. Pinch and pan to frame the neighborhood, city, or larger route you'll travel. Make the area as small as practical because larger downloads use more storage and take longer. Some devices let you adjust tile density or zoom range, reduce it to save space. If you must use mobile data, enable cellular downloads in settings first. Tap Download, monitor progress, and confirm the new region appears in Offline Map. When you're offline, open Maps and select the stored region. You can search within it and receive turn-by-turn directions because the routing data is local. Make sure to update regions before long trips or enable auto-update so data doesn't expire. If you need space later, delete old regions in Offline Maps. If a downloaded area doesn't load, try the key troubleshooting step. Enable Background App Refresh, confirm there's enough free storage, restart the device, and then reinitiate the download.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.